Okay, this is my 9th-floor building. Successfully achieved my goal. This is my bunker. Wow, look at this. Today, this is my 9th-floor building. Okay, so yeah. Look at this building, dude. Furnace stacking on top of the crafting tables. Okay, this is the hotel area. I'm too excited because, yeah, bathtub. Carpets here. A large bathtub. Okay, that's the bubble elevator where you go up. Go there you go. This is the bathtub. Okay, let's go. Oh my gosh. I didn't even light up this place. What? Let me light this up. Do you like my building, guys? If you like them, please let me know. I really like my building, and I'm really happy that I achieved my goal. Later, I'm gonna build it. Tomorrow, I'm gonna build the 20th floor, and I'll make a video about that too. Once I'm done with it. So this is the balcony. Some chairs. Nice garden view. I've noticed that's raining. Thunderstorm. Wait. What? Why am I in the 5th floor? I was supposed to show you the restaurant. Light this area up. This is my 5th floor. Okay, this is the restaurant. Forgot to light this place up, so let's light it up now. Sorry, but I have so many places to light out here. Let's continue to the 5th floor. Not the 7th floor. Okay, this is the floor I just light up. Not much surprises here. Okay, this is the observation deck. So this is the building. See you next time. So just watch a short look around on the building. And also look for my treehouse. Enjoy. See you next time.